Welcome to ABC Kids channel.
ABC Kids Present. Today we will learn about construction vehicles names with pictures.
Loader, loader. Dump truck, dump truck. Bulldozer, bulldozer. Road roller, road roller. Articulated hauler, articulated hauler. Mining truck, mining truck. Concrete mixer truck, concrete mixer truck. Tractor, tractor. Asphalt paver, asphalt paver. Crawler crane, crawler crane. Forklift, forklift. Flatbed truck, flatbed truck. Motor grader, motor grader. Bucket truck, bucket truck. Backhoe, backhoe. Concrete pump truck, concrete pump truck. Scissor lift, scissor lift. Diesel hammer, diesel hammer. Feller buncher, feller buncher. Power shovel, power shovel. Demolition excavator, demolition excavator. Excavator, excavator. Road scraper, road scraper. Telehandler, telehandler. Mobile crane, mobile crane. Forwarder truck, forwarder truck. Steel skid loader, steel skid loader. Fuel truck, fuel truck. Bucket wheel excavator, bucket wheel excavator.
Thanks for watching. For watching more kids learning videos, subscribe ABC Kids channel.